Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to be pranking my African mom. She just came back from the market. I'm going to prank her right now. And please guys, wish me luck because I know if she does not kill me, she will bury me. So let's start. Please wish me luck.
Jesus is Lord. Ayé tèmi bá mi. Ayé tèmi bá mi.
Happy, can you see me? Please open your eyes. Can you see me? Stay with me. Can you see me?
Apostle, we hear of this.
Please. Happy, can you see me? Happy. Stay with me, please. Happy. Happy, can you see me? Why did you do this? Please wake up. Can you see me?